All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. So today I'm here in the city of Las Vegas, just on the south side. It is a little bit windy, so I do apologize. There's something I want to show you. This is a very exciting listing that's about to come up on the market. Right now, this is a off-market deal, guys. This is actually a really great deal. So here we have a main highway, which is Windmill. Now, Windmill takes you all the way up to Blue Diamond. So this turns into Blue Diamond. Right here we have the Las Vegas Boulevard. Now, the high-speed train, according to the Department of Transportation, it's going to be right over here. You have all your shopping, okay? You're less than 15 minutes away from Harry Reid International. You have bunch of grocery shopping right down here. I actually live right up the road here, so you've got all the shopping here. You've got the outlet mall, Las Vegas Boulevard, okay? You've got the South Point. Everything is remotely close by. So this is a very unique property because homes in the 890123 area, it's typically a community, right? Gated communities, and all the homes pretty much all look the same. However, on this road right here of Windmill, this is all going to be zoned for commercial zoning because this is a high sector road. Some of these have already been converted, but now this home right here sits on nearly an acre, okay? Take a look at this. This is a huge lot, guys. You can't get nothing like this that's near the strip. Some of these homes are also zoned for horse property as well, where you can actually have some horses, you know, some chickens and all that good stuff. This one is not, but I'm sure you can rezone it. But take a look how large this lot is. You do have an RV access here. Now, my thought process is, what happens if you bought this home, you added a wall, subdivide the partial, rezone this for commercial? You'll probably get your money back for this home right here. Basically, you just got a free home. Now, this is a single-story home that consists of 3,042 square feet, 4 bedrooms, okay? Does have a den, 3.5 bath. This home has so much potential with a 3-car garage. Most importantly, the exciting thing, it actually has a full casita here. But take a look how large this lot. I mean, if you wanted to do a dirt bike track or something like that, you can go ahead and do that. But I think I would actually rezone this thing, honestly. Now, this is a single-story home that was built in 2016. So let's go inside. Let's see what this is all about. It is a little bit windy today, so I apologize. Woo! All that wind. Let me shut this door here. Okay. So right here we have the casita. We have our courtyard. Access to the 3-car garage here. This takes us into the main house. We have an easement or door that takes us out from the primary bath. Here's your casita. And it's really detached. Let's take a look at this lot here. I mean, there's so much potential of what you guys can do, okay? So this drain swell right here will be filled up, so they're going to redo this drain swell right there. This one has its own AC unit. And if you take a look, we have some security screens, and these are some very expensive security screens. But just imagine some greenery, some plants here, some plants here. You do some sort of lattice right across here, that would look really nice. Now let's take a look at the casita. Very large casita. We've got 10-foot ceilings too, which makes it really nice and open. Here, you're going to have the Smurf tube for your TV, your coax cable. We can go ahead and put a mini refrigerator here. Already comes with a cool microwave. Let's take a look at this bathroom. 36 inches on the counter here. We got the espresso cabinet, hard surface, under-mounted sink, mowing fixtures. This is a D.R. Horton product. Orange peel texture. I mean, this home is clean. Like, you can literally move in right away. You have tons of outlets. Now you have orange peel texture here, skip trawl right above. I'm going to just turn off the lights as we go along because we're just kind of hanging out today on this beautiful Sunday minus the wind. I don't know, like the weather was like hot the last couple days, but yesterday and today it's roughly about 60s with a pretty high gust wind here. We've got the 3-car garage here, which is really nice, but we're going to go through the main house. Let's take a look here. So you do have some upgrades. You have the 12 by 12 on the flooring with a 6-inch stagger here. They did tile throughout, extended the island too as well. But this is a very large living space. Again, 10-foot ceilings. Our den is over here. So let's go take a look at the den real quick. So this would be your office. Now, don't mind this stuff here because the owners are getting rid of this. Now, some of the furniture, if you guys want it, you know, the sellers are willing to negotiate the furniture as well. You have a transfer duct here, which is really nice. Now, let's take a look at the kitchen. So as you can see, we have the extended here and over here. We have the granite. Hard composite under-mounted sink, mowing fixtures again, and we have the granite. Appliances are included in the sale of this transaction. Let's take a look at this backsplash here. That was an upgrade during the time of the build. Looks like we have a little bit of the copper tone. 36-inch cook countertop here with a 5-burner, and you also have a griddle. We do have a microwave and a oven. Beautiful hood. So this is going to be your formal dining area, and you should be able to fit a 5 by 12 table here that probably seats up to 12 people, believe it or not. Again, this is a very large house, so the video is not really capturing everything. I mean, take a look at this living area here. You got the Smurf tube, coax cable there. You've got the 4-can lighting, pre-wired for your ceiling fan, and we also have another J-box here as well. Coming down this hallway here, we have the bathroom for the guest, half bath. What I like about this is a clean slate where it allows you to come in, you can paint it any color, you can design it any way. Now you're probably wondering what the price is. Well, price is going to be starting off at $1,100,000. Okay. Now with this location, if you run the comps, you're going to find out very quickly how great of a deal this is. Very decent sized room. Now what you see back here is just a cardboard. The reason why that cardboard is there is because they didn't want a lot of light to come in, so there's nothing wrong with that. I could actually pull that out. Because, you know, like sometimes you want your room to be dark. Let's take a look at the closet here. Walk-in closet. Wow, this closet is a lot bigger than my closet. It's probably 5 by 10 here on the closet. I'm going to turn some of these lights as we go along. I'm going to shut these blinds as well. Now this is a Jack and Jill bathroom. We have a 0 threshold here that transitions to 1x1 tile, which is really nice. Then we have some marble cladding. Now this is not real marble, this is culture marble. Then we have a sink here, the vanity. Again, the espresso. And this takes us to the other room. So this room is going to be in the back of the house here. This is a 12 by 12 or 13 by 13, which is a very large room. Looks like each room right now has a jumper duct, which is really nice. They're not transfer grills, all jumper ducts, which is a good thing. Again, we have a nice large closet. I'm going to come back out this way here because I want to get these lights turned off. Matter of fact, let's come over here and shut these blinds too as well. Now this is 3,047 square feet. Also, don't forget the Casita. So let's go take a look at the primary. Wait till you all see this primary. Look at this. Large primary. Again, there's nothing wrong with the glass here. It's just a cardboard because the original owners had their bed here. They didn't want too much of the sunlight to come in. But obviously you could take that down at any time. These rooms looks like 20 by 15, so this is a very large room. What's nice about this, you can separate it in 2 sections. A retreat area and then a place where you put your head down, right? Your bed. All your TV stuff will go here. And take a look at the potential of the walk-in closet. Very large walk-in closet. Now again, guys, this property is not on the market yet. The day that I put this property on the market, it is going to go very quickly. So you guys are interested, let me know ASAP. Now we have a nice soak tub. Now the reason why they have this plastic here is because they started cleaning everything. They didn't want the dust to go inside the sink and all that stuff. So there's nothing wrong with that, okay? But obviously when we put the photos and all that stuff, we're gonna remove that so that way it shoots very nicely. But again, right now, this video is only up as a pre-listing. It is not on the market yet, but it will go on the market. And once it does, you're gonna see how fast this home sells. Matter of fact, I already have 2 interested buyers that had reached on out through us, or to us, through social media, IG. If you guys are not a part of our IG following us, make sure to follow us because this is where we update like new listings and what's coming up on the market. I literally posted this the other day when I met up with the seller and had 2 clients reach on out to me. Shut these blinds here. Come back into the closet, turn this off. Now what I would do, because we have a window here, I would probably do a pull in the back, but because we have these 2 windows, you know that the headers are here. So I would do a sliding glass door, be cheaper because the headers are here. Take this window, you have a header there, move that window over here, and redo this part right there. But I mean, just take a look at the potential of this house. Now the backyard. All utilities are municipal, are all connected to the city, which is great. And take a look at this backyard. Here's for your RV. What I would do is probably do an RV something right here, and I would utilize all this. Property has so much potential, it is unbelievable. The best part about this, guys, there's no HOA. No HOA. You could literally put a dirt track if you wanted to. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, if you guys are interested, you're going to have to reach on out to me directly on this one. We'll schedule a private show. Now, here's the thing. This property is probably going to go on the market here in a week and a half. So you still have the opportunity. So if you are interested, let me know right away, and I will get you out here personally. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to that channel, click that subscribe button. Follow us on all social media platforms. And don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, be blessed, folks. All right, guys, we're not done yet. I totally forgot. We have some extra things going on. Another pantry here. So you got 2 pantries. But take a look at this laundry facility. Wash and dryer comes with it. You have the sink here. You have ample storage. This right here is a designated 220 for another refrigerator. Real quick, we're going to go out to the garage. Let's take a look. As you can see, it is a 3-car garage. Now, don't mind the mess because owners are getting rid of all this stuff here. Here's your service door that takes you out to the courtyard. Here is to the side of the home. Okay, we do have the lift master here and one here too as well. Everything's all smooth coated, ready to go. And that is pretty much it, guys. All right, let me just come back in. Let me just finish this video. I'm gonna swing this thing back out this way. All right. Guys, this property will not last. I guarantee it. Because when it comes down to location, 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 no HOA, right? And you have a lot this large, but also possibly the opportunity to zone that for commercial. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, other than that, I do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Other than that, love you guys. Be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.